Hey, good afternoon, everybody. This is John from Volkswagen Planet, and today I'm reaching out to you guys. I'm going to need your help and maybe some words of encouragement on this. I'm working on my 1972 Super Beetle, and what I want to do is I want to install the. I've got a brand new set of complete shafts, and my question is it came with 2 bottles, I guess, of grease. Each one is complete. It's got the hardware. I do have extra pieces. I have watched a couple extra videos, said make sure you get some disposable gloves, safety glasses, the proper tools, ratchet. But here's my question, guys. Are you supposed to put some of that grease in that tube in here, or is that supposed to stay dry? And same thing with the inner part of the hub, the transmission hub. Is it supposed to have grease in there also, or that's just the grease that comes out of the CV shaft itself? And speaking of that, looking at this shaft here, and this had the cap on and everything else. Am I supposed to pack the oil in those tubes in here to make that, I guess, lubricated? Or, I think or do they just come automatically? Or do I gotta, I guess, how do you know if you gotta pack the oil in, or pack the grease in this stuff? So if you don't mind, please comment below. I greatly appreciate it, and hopefully we'll knock this video out tomorrow. Like I said, as of right now, I do have the gloves, I do have the sockets, I do have extra fasteners, tie downs and hardware. Is this going to be enough to pack those CV joints? Or if now I did have 2 per CV joint per shaft, so I don't know how far this stuff goes. And if I'm going to need more, what name brand do I get for grease? And or just any comments or any kind of information, just please comment below, and hopefully we'll be putting this on the card tomorrow. So as always, guys, like, comment, share, subscribe, thumbs up, thumbs down. I greatly appreciate your help on this one, because some of the videos I've watched on YouTube aren't exactly the best. It just says, repeat the process and stuff like that. So again, I appreciate all your guys' help, and we'll catch you on the next video.